Laying of GSB layer. Equipment: roller, grader, tipper. Mark points at required offset. Fix the control pegs at every 10 meters along the central line and both the sides in such a manner that the paver movement is not disturbed. Transfer reference levels to peg arms. The clamps of the arms are to be tightened carefully so as not to disturb the level. The approved material is brought-in dampers. Unload the material in mounds as shown. The material is uniformly spread by a grader. Each grader runs and overlaps by at least 1/3 of the blade length. Before laying of GSB, soil confinement is to be done on both sides. After initial spreading, hold the string at the marks on both the sides and measure the height of the string from wet top to know the loose thickness. Loose thickness of GSB should be 25% more than the required compacted thickness. The grader operator is directed according to the measurement in the above step to cut and fill. Water is sprinkled before the compaction as per OMC determined in Proctor test. The The compaction is done mechanically using vibratory rollers of 80 to 100 kN static weight for the entire stretch. The compaction commences from the lower end and proceeds towards the upper edge. Each pass of the roller overlaps 1/3 of the preceding pass. Conduct survey after the final compaction to verify with the desired thickness and level.